Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really big haul that I wanted to share with all of you. I have different things from the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. I have things from the Victoria's Secret semi-annual sale. I have things from Express, Target, Old Navy, Altered State. There have been so many great sales going on lately. It's a really great time to buy clothing. I know a lot of retailers are putting on all their items on sale. I also got a mirror from Target and a steamer from Macy's, but I'm not going to put them in this haul here. It's just mostly fashion and a few things from Bath & Body Works. So if you like clothing hauls, if you like travel vlogs, if you like the occasional beauty video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and sticking around. And let's go ahead and jump into this video. First, I thought it would be fun to start with what I got from Bath & Body Works. I'm not doing a separate haul this year just because I didn't pick up quite as much as I normally do, but I did get this bag right here. I just felt like the sale wasn't as good this year, but I generally think that the one in the summer is not as good as the one in the winter. Let me know if you agree in the comments. But I was really intrigued by this. The theme of this video must be yellow because I'm wearing yellow. This is a yellow candle, and that is the Toasted Pineapple Marshmallow Candle. I believe it's new, and it has this cute little guitar that's in the shape of a pineapple. Like, how freaking adorable. And it smells so good. It's like perfect and sweet and fruity, and oh my god, it smells like a pineapple. I absolutely love, I don't know, I want to say I love pineapple, but I think I like pineapple flavored things. Like, I love a good pineapple White Claw, but actual pineapple kind of sometimes tastes too sour. Anyway, I thought this candle was super cute and festive for summer. I got some country apple shower gel, always a classic. I got Japanese cherry blossom. That's probably my favorite Bath & Body Works scent of all time. I got One in a Million. I've never had this one before, so I'm excited to try it out. I like the purple bottle with the pretty flowers. I got Sunshine Mimosa. I'm really hoping this one is not shiny, or sparkly rather, because I know the packaging kind of is, and I couldn't really tell in the store because it was so opaque. I got Fiji Sunshine Guavatini. I don't think I've had this one either, but it looked orangey and fresh. And then I got Pink Chiffon, which is a staple that I normally pick up at the sale, but I didn't see like a lot of ones that I normally get, like Cherry Blossom or Cucumber Melon. So I don't know if it was just like the Bath & Body Works that I went to. I don't know if I went to the sale too late, but overall just wasn't like the best selection. Now let's jump into some of the clothes. Let's go over what I got from Old Navy. Old Navy's denim is like seriously fire. I got these A-line jean shorts. They are a little bit long for me, but I don't know, I have such a hard time with jean shorts being like tall and muscular that like a lot of jean shorts like really rise up on me and they just don't flatter me. So these are like a little out of my comfort zone because I don't know, they're just like a lot longer than something I would normally gravitate towards, but they look super cute on, and I'm glad to have like a longer pair that's like more full coverage. They were also only $12, so you can't beat that. Likewise, I also got these running shorts, and these are size small, but they're like really long, and I know they look so unflattering, but these definitely will shrink if I put them in the dryer. This like jersey like cottony material always shrinks a lot for me, but I just like, again, like really needed just like longer running shorts that are just, you know, just like not gonna stick to my legs in the summer, so I picked these up. I also got this white denim skirt. I've worn it once already and I can tell it's going to be a true summer staple for me. It's just a really great basic. Love a white skirt moment in the summer. Target has also been crushing it with clothes, and I picked these up. I think these were like $12.50, and that's these black linen shorts with a tie waist. I got them in a size medium. They are so perfect. They're like slightly flared out and like slightly oversized. These are really great if you're tall. Probably wouldn't buy them if you're more petite, but these feel great. They feel super nice. I don't know how they're gonna hold up, but I love these linen shorts with the tie waist. I think they're so comfortable and they make you look like very put together, even though you're like basically wearing sweatpants. I only got one thing from Express, but I'm obsessed with it. Express was having a killer Memorial Day weekend sale, and it's gonna be kind of hard to show you without trying it on, but it's basically this hot pink crop top, and it ties in the back, super cute. And I love like the flattering like crisscross. There we go, that's how I should show it to you guys. Like I love the crisscross in the front. It looks really great if you I think have a smaller chest. It's kind of nice to like add something to that area. And I love this like tie thing here and here because you can make it as tight or as loose as you want, and it's like also the perfect crop. I hate crop tops that are like super high up. That's just not for me. But this is like a classy crop, just a little bit of stomach exposed at the bottom. I also got some things from Victoria's Secret. It has been a hot minute since I shopped at Victoria's Secret, but they were having their semi-annual sale, so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna venture in and see if anything catches my eye. And I have to say, I really do think Victoria's Secret has some of the nicest sweats around for an affordable price. And I think that's true with their like leggings and bras and everything too, because I don't know, like Skims intrigues me a lot, but I'm not about to be putting down the kind of money you know, it takes to buy Skims, especially when we're in a recession. So no thanks. I'll get 2 items for 40 bucks instead of paying like $100 for like literally one thing from Skims or Lululemon. So as long as I don't say pink on the sweatshirts, I'm okay with it. And I just got this like blue and white tie-dye shirt. It is so soft. I wish you guys could feel this through the camera, but it's really soft. It's also the perfect oversized fit. Victoria's Secret just does it right, in my opinion, with like a slightly oversized sweatpant fit or sweatshirt fit. I think they just really know how to do it. I also got a pair of leggings. I wear a size medium in Victoria's Secret leggings, and these are the high waist 7/8 leggings, and they're black with like this awesome shimmery snake pattern look. They feel so buttery soft. They were 20 bucks and they're extremely flattering, and I got them because I thought they would be good workout leggings just with like a plain black sports bra, but I don't know, they might be like nice enough to wear like out. No, but I don't have any leggings with this kind of pattern on them. I have a pair of biker shorts actually from Victoria's Secret with like this very similar pattern, but I thought this was different and I could add it to my collection. Finally, I'm gonna jump into what I got from Altered State, which is probably my favorite. I don't think Altered State was having like their big sale, but I did find a couple things I really liked on clearance. And the first one is this green shirt. I love it. I'm so obsessed with these like tie things in the back. These are so cute. I'm living for this moment. I love the green. I love the orange. I just like love this pattern. It's very cute. I also got this long dress. I think I'm gonna wear it to this wine festival that I'm going to this weekend. And it's definitely like out of my comfort zone because this is like a full-on maxi dress. But I love the sweetheart neckline, super flattering. I love the print. It's white with just a little purple and green flower. It's really flowy, really long. And I definitely want to wear this with white tennis shoes. I think it's just going to be such a vibe, super comfortable. I just hope I'm not too hot. It's going to be really hot in Pittsburgh this weekend. In fact, today it's like 95 degrees, which is very hot for where we live. I also got this pair of jean shorts, and I really don't say this too often, but these jean shorts are actually like the most flattering pair of jean shorts I've ever owned, and I only paid $5.99 for them. They must have been left over from last year, but I feel like they have that like festival look through the whitewashed denim, distressing on the bottom, and I just kind of tried these on a whim. I was like, I don't even know if this is gonna fit me, but they like fit like a glove, and they have like the perfect amount of like flare. They're super like stretchy, but they're fitted. I don't know, they're great. So check out Altered State if you're looking for some nice denim shorts. But anyway, that wraps up my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!